You've been posting reels consistently, getting into the groove of content creation. You've been doing everything right. Your reel views are just not where you want them to be. We're getting into simple ways you can instantly boost your reel views for your business page. These are a couple quick fixes that you can make to boost your reel performance and sell your product. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about content creation and content marketing, socials for business, and work-life balance. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I highly suggest subscribing. If you're consistently posting reels on your Instagram business page, hoping to get sales, hoping to get high view count, hoping to get more followers, more reach, and more exposure for your business, and you've been posting a lot for a while, your reel views aren't where you'd like them to be for how much work you're putting in. We're going to go over a couple things that you can instantly improve on to boost your reel views. So number one, of course, is to make sure that your reels are good quality. When I say good quality, I am of course talking about the lighting, not necessarily a 4K video, but also the quality of your content. Make sure that the topic of your video is clearly understood by whoever's watching it the first time they watch it. There's nothing distracting in the background. It doesn't look like a low quality reel that you just threw together. Something that you actually put a little bit of thought into in terms of where it's being filmed, the content that you're putting into it, topic of the video. Go to other business pages in your niche, check out what their videos are like. If you only post videos of you lip syncing to trends, check out other creators in the same industry who post the same types of videos and kind of compare and see what their video has that your video might be lacking in terms of quality. A high quality reel is just something that is well lit, easy to understand the first time, with a clear subject and a clear concept. Moving into editing for your reel, make sure that the text is in frame. This should be much easier to do with the new reel features where you do have a border that guides you on where to place your text, making sure that it won't be covered by your username or the like button. Also make sure that the text that you're adding to your reels has good readability. It means that your message isn't too wordy because everyone has a shortened attention span. Now that short form video is really taking over, you do only have a couple seconds to grab people's attention, get your point across. So say what you have to say in as little words as possible, which goes hand in hand with making your concept clear, but also keep it short and sweet. If there's a way that you could say whatever you have to say a little bit more cleaned up, then go that route instead. Also, just make sure that the text that you are adding to your videos isn't really confusing. Like I said, make sure that whoever's viewing it understands what you're trying to say, what point you're trying to get across, the point of the video is about the first time they watch it. If someone has to sit there and decipher what your video means, they're just going to keep scrolling. Moving into the second quick fix to get more reel views, we're talking about hooks. I'm sure you've heard this 100 times, seen a whole bunch of Instagram gurus giving you a bunch of hook ideas for your videos. You kind of see it, think about it, like it, and then scroll. Don't really implement this into your videos, but you kind of have it in the back of your mind. Having a good hook for a video that has its own concept, something that isn't really following a trend, is very important for grabbing people's attention. A lot of people who scroll on social media like to find content that will help them achieve something, give them value. In other words, people tend to be pretty selfish. If you include the word you in your hook, people will already know that they're going to get something valuable out of your video, are creating a hook for your video. Just keep in mind what your target audience wants to hear, something that the viewer will stop scrolling for, something that can help them, and also something really quick. Numbers are a great element to add into hooks as well. You can say something like 3 quick tips to blank, or how you can blank. Next, we're talking about engagement stickers. So the Reels feature has really evolved over however long it's been out, from editing tools to filters, and now you can add engagement story stickers into your Reels, meaning you can add a poll, you can add a slider, you can add a multiple choice sticker. Add these stickers to boost engagement on your Reel so that people are responding and interacting with it, which will then tell the algorithm to push it out to more people. Ask your audience a question to entice conversation in the comment section. Ask your audience what they think about whatever your topic of the video is. Create fun ways for your audience to actually interact with the video, and do some research in your niche and your industry. See what other people are posting that are performing well. I also want to mention that Reels are a great way to get exposure for your business page, but if people are seeing your Reels and they're not following you, or you aren't really getting anything out of all the views you're getting, think of posting Reels as a stage of your business page on social media to get exposure, to bring people back to the home feed. If a video does go viral and a lot of people want to see more from you, they go back to your page, they like what they see, and then they'll follow you to see more. If your business page is not where it should be, if it's not really attracting or capturing people, then they're not going to follow, let alone click on the link in your bio. So make sure that you have your foundation of your business page set up. When you are getting those views that you want, it'll actually do something for your business. Lastly, we are talking about trends. Trending audio is a great way to boost your performance, to optimize your reels. Trending audio is something that many people use, which means it is getting pushed out by Instagram more and more. So hopping on trends is definitely essential to growing your business page and getting exposure, but you don't necessarily have to only post trends. If you are posting an original audio video, try using a trending audio in the background of the video or the audio all the way down to 0. But Instagram will recommend your video to other people who have interacted with that audio, as well as people who might be interested in the content. And you're optimizing your reels as much as you can. And the last tip that I have is to use the new features that Instagram is giving you. Reels are being pushed a lot because it is relatively new on Instagram, which means that people who are constantly using it are getting rewarded. So if there is a new reel feature, like the engagement stickers, or a new filter, or a new text option, use it. Instagram will favor your content because you're using new features that they're putting out that they want other people to see, so they'll most likely boost your video. With all that being said, keep in mind that at the end of the day, at the end of all these little tips and tricks, the content is what matters most. Now, I'm not saying that you have to sit down and take a whole week to plan one 30-second video, but just make sure that your content is valuable for whoever you're targeting in your business. Make sure that it's something that people want to see more of, something that can help them, something that they can connect with and relate to, because if someone doesn't feel anything from the video and the content that you're putting out, that post won't really do anything. And there's no reason why you shouldn't be getting more engagement, more followers, and more sales if you are posting reels consistently. So if there is a problem in this area, take a look at the quality of the content and the quality of your video. If you got anything from this video, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like down below. It really helps me out. If you'd like to see more content like this, I highly recommend subscribing. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!